Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. Did you see the fake hair behind me? Those are 3D fake bands. So in this video, I'm going to review those two 3D fake bands. Do you guys remember those? But those are not 3D. Let me show you guys the differences. This one is see-through 3D fake bands. The clip is in the center. It has the hair in the back and side. So this one is more realistic than the normal fake bands. The normal fake bands, the clip is on the top. So if you click it on your head, you can see the clips. So it looks fake. So I'm going to remove my hair piece. Do you feel my hair is very smooth? It smells really good. I have been using this set of shampoo, Natural Republic. My hair is pretty smooth and straight itself. So if I use a good shampoo and conditioner, it just make it smoother and smells really good. So I actually just washed my hair this morning and it's really smooth. It smells very nice. If you use a bad shampoo or conditioner, your hair will be fuzzy, right? Like have the fuzzy hair standing out. This shampoo makes your hair pretty smooth. It smells really good. It's from Natural Republic. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, let's try on those fake bands. So firstly, you divided your hair into two parts, and those two parts must be even. And use the safety pin to secure the hair. Need to keep them in place. So the clip is in the center and this is in the back, like that. It looks pretty real from the distance, and you can see from the top, you can't really see if it's fake, right? So the hair mixed in with your own hair. I really love it, and it also makes my face look smaller. It looks pretty natural. It's so much more natural than the other ones. Really love it. And then I will try the thicker bands. I got those bands because when I wear Lolita dress, I prefer to have bands to go with Lolita dresses. It looks really good. It'll go with my handful as well. It's really natural. Very huge differences with bands and without it. I will try on the thicker bands. The thicker bands looks really real. It looks like your real skin. This one has a lot of more hair in the back and on the side. So it's kind of like a wig. It has 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Princess cut. Wow, these fake bands make my face look a lot of smaller. This band goes really good with Lolita hair accessories. It looks very cute. This band will go with a lot of cute outfits, not just the Lolita outfit. It's not heavy, it's a little bit see-through. I really like it. You can also wear it above your eyebrow. It works too. It looks really good. Wow. You could also have all the hair to the side. Does make your face a lot of smaller. I think I prefer this way. I don't like to have too much hair cover my face. It looks very real. It's just like your own skin. Which 3D fake bands do you like? The see-through bands or the princess cut bands? Please leave comments. I'm very happy about those two bands. They are very useful since I don't have bands anymore. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.